Hello, third graders. Today we are going to be adding money amounts. Remember, this is going to go right in line with our place value and the lessons that you have done previously. The real world application of this is that you're adding money, which is something that we all will have to do at some point if you haven't already.
All right, friends, we're going to be discussing addition method. So we are going to be starting with the new groups method. So let's start just as a little warm-up. We've already covered this in previous lessons. We're going to start with our lowest place value, which is our ones place value. We're going to be adding 9 plus 3. I can always use my fingers if I am wanting to make sure I'm adding correctly. Otherwise, if you can do it mentally, you may do that as well. I know that 9 plus 3 is 12. I can also count up on my fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll drop my 2. Carry my 1 to my next place value. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Drop my 1, carry my next place value over to my new group. I now am in my hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. I'm in the hundreds, so it's 812 is my total answer. Again, friends, we always love if you circle your answer so we make sure we know that is your final answer.
Now let's look at a new method. This one's called show all totals. If you remember this one, it's the one that we started on the left. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. I know that 200 plus 500 is 700. Now I need to move my tens. 70 plus 30 is 100. And then 9 plus 3 is 12. Now I need to go back to the right and I need to say 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. And 7 plus 1 is 8. Before I move on, I'm going to circle my answer.
Alright, friends, for this one we're going to use our pictures to solve. We can use a separate sheet of paper if that would help you to show your work. So for our first problem, it says Maria wants to buy milk and cheese. So let's find milk and cheese. How much will those two items cost?
I see that the cheese is listed as $1.89 and the milk is listed as $2.35. So let's write that down on a separate sheet.
Now, friends, you can choose whichever method will help you solve this the fastest. I'm going to do I'm sorry, Miss Anderson, I'm forgetting what that method is called. What is the method that we just did?
The all totals method.
The all totals method. Thank you, Miss Anderson. You can also solve it using
the new groups method.
The new groups method. You know what, Miss Anderson? I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to do the new groups method. So I'm going to start on the lowest place value, which is my ones. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Drop my 2. Oh, I'm seeing that I have a decimal point because we're adding money, so I need to make sure I drop that down as well. Now, this was 12, so I'm going to carry my 1 over to the next place value. So now I have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm also wanting to carry down my label, which is money, so we're using our dollar. So my total is $4.24. I'm going to circle my answer so we know that is our final answer.
Third graders, now it's your turn to work independently to solve the next couple of problems. We'd like you to pause the video. First, I'm going to read the problems to you in case that is a problem for you. So, Arturo wants to buy a tomato and a steak. How much will Arturo's groceries cost? Tamika wants to buy bananas and a watermelon. How much will she spend? And then choose two items which items did you choose? How much do they cost together? Okay, go ahead. We believe in you. You can do it.
Welcome back, third graders. Take a moment to look over our answers. So for question number 2, our answer was $4.60. If you did not get that answer, please check our work against yours and see what happened. Make sure that if you did not get the right answer, you are going back and rewatching this video to make sure you understand the process. Number 3, the answer is $4.48. Same thing, friends, check our work against yours. If you did not get the same answer, go back and rewatch it so we can move on together. Step number 4, friends, you're going to want to check that closely, making sure you did add correctly. There are so many different combinations, we're not going to do that one with you. So make sure you're checking it.
And finally, we have our ongoing assessment. We just want to make sure that you guys are following along and understanding this as we go. So you are going to do this problem. It says a carton of orange juice costs $2.49 and a box of cereal costs $4.37. How much do they cost together? Okay, I'm going to do our cubes method with you before we let you off loose. So it says carton of orange juice costs, here's a number, $2.49. And here's another one, $4.37. Okay, I'm going to underline the question right here. Okay, I'm going to evaluate what they want me to do. Oh, I see together, so that tells me I'm going to be adding or looking for a sum. Let's see, then I need to box in my important words. How much is what they're looking for? And now I need to solve. And then when I finish solving, I need to make sure that I check my answer. So go ahead and pause the video, solve, and check your answer. As you guys can see, I did the new groups above methods. So we have $6.86 as our answer because I was looking for together. So if you got that same answer, nice job. Let's move ahead. If you didn't, no worries. This is your time to go back and rewatch the video or ask if you have any questions. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you soon.